the 600 social science subject. Today we have to discuss about the new chapter, the culture of the Vedic period. See, in the culture of the Vedic period, we found many of the information. That means, who are those settled in India? Which literature they were followed? What is the meaning of Vedic culture? That means, the many of the people they were settled in the river banks. In Central Asia, the many of the people they were migrated to some other places. Such kind of the people they were come to the India also, and they were settled in the place of river banks. So those persons we are named as Aryans. So these Aryans they were come from the Central Asia and Saraswati and Ganga river bank. And the Saraswati and Ganga river plains, especially we got from the northern part of the India, in that they were settled. The river bank of Saraswati and the river bank of Ganga. So in that places, many of the Aryans they were settled and they started the new culture. That culture we used to call as a Vedic culture. Then what is the meaning of Veda? Veda means knowledge. Veda means knowledge. So these kind of the Vedic people, they were started the new civilization. So we are remembering as a Harappa civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization. In that way, we found out the four important Vedas. The four important Vedas in the sense of we are remembering Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. I would like to name again Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. See that Rig Veda, it's a pre-Vedic period. Rig Veda we used to call as a pre-Vedic period. So what we found remaining three Vedas, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharvana Veda. So these are the three important Vedas we used to call as a post-Vedic period. In that way, these kind of the four Vedas, so we found the Sanskrit literature. The one more name of the Sanskrit literature we used to call as a Devanagari Lipi. Devanagari Lipi. Devanagari Bhashe. So these kind of the Sanskrit languages, we found the four important Vedas. So these are the Vedas. Especially it has come from one generation to another generation. The many years ago it has come from one generation to another generation. That means it is one of the oral literature we got here. Later they were write their script. They were write their own script. Like that Gagar Akra. So it is one of the river. So Gagar Akra, it was disappeared in the Rajasthan. It was disappeared in the Rajasthan. The ancient people believed that it is the Saraswati river. It is one of the Saraswati river. Like that way, one more river that is called as a Helmand river. The many of the people who are come from Central Asia, they were believed that the Helmand river of Afghanistan, it is named as a Saraswati river. The ancient Saraswati river. So these four Vedas were very related to Aryans. So these kind of the Aryans, they were started the new culture that is called as a Vedic culture. In that Veda, we found the four important Vedic periods. Those are Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. In that Rig Veda, we used to call as a pre-Vedic period. So what is the social life? See, in that social life in the sense we are remembering the family. The family is the basic unit of the Rig Vedic period. It is one of the basic unit. Especially the family in the sense we found a nuclear family and a joint family. In that Rig Veda period, we found only a joint family, not a nuclear family. We found only a joint family. The many of the people, either it is a maternal family or the paternal family. The many of the families or the joint families we got in a pre-Vedic period. Like this way, the father is the head of the family. We know that the father is the head of the family in the sense it is named as a paternal family. Like this way, this father is head of the family and some of the prisoners we got there. So who made some other social evil activities? So we used to call as a prisoners. They kept in a prison, so we used to call as a prisoners. So these kind of the prisoners, they were named as a Dasa and Dasyos. Dasa and Dasyos. So these kind of the Dasas and Dasyos, they were treated like a slaves. The Aryans, they were treated like a slaves. Like that, we found two important types of liquor. So those are Soma and Sura. Soma and Sura. So these are the social life we got from the pre-Vedic period. See, in a pre-Vedic period, so what is the position of the woman? The position of the woman, in the sense of, especially we are remembering, it's a respectable position. The woman's position in the pre-Vedic period, in the sense of we are remembering, it's a respectable position, and women's also participating in a political matters. The political matters, what we used to call as a Sabha and Samiti. So these are the political institution. The women also participate in the politics. Like this way, the widow remarriage also available. Widow remarriage. Like that way, Gosha, Apala, Lopamudra, Indrani, Vishwavara. So these are the important persons. They got the good education. In a pre-Vedic period, the women also got the good education. They also learned the Vedas. So that we are remembering some of the persons, those are Gosha, Apala, Lopamudra, Indrani and Vishwavara. So these are the important persons we got from the pre-Vedic period. Like this way, child marriage and sati system. So these kind of the child marriage and sati system are the social evil deeds. So these are the evil deeds we cannot found in a pre-Vedic period. So these are the important aspects, especially we got from the social life. The almost all of the pre-Vedic period or the Rigveda period people, they were started to do the agriculture and animals rearing or the cattle rearing. So these are the important occupations, especially we got from the Rigveda period. In that way, they were grow the crops cereal way. In that barley and rice. The barley and the rice are the major food crops from the Vedic culture. Like that, they were eat the fish and the meat also. They eat fish and meat. Students in a pre-Vedic period people, they were use the iron and other metals. So why they are using the iron and other metals? They were started to do the agriculture. They were started to hunt the animals. They were started to do the animal rearing. So they need the metals. So that they were use the iron and other metals to do the agriculture. Like this, we found weavers, carpenter, blacksmith and potters. So these are the important occupations also we got there. Weaving. That means they were weave the cotton and also a wool. Then carpenters. We know students, so what is the work of the carpenters? Like this blacksmith and the potters. So these are the important occupation which that agriculture is the major occupation. Like this way, the medicine and the priesthood also we got there. So this medicine and priesthood also one of the important occupation we got there. Like this cows. The cows is the major wealth of the Aryans or the Rigveda period people. The cows it is considered as an important wealth. So that we found many of the battles for the cows. Like this we found the political life. The political life also one of the important things, especially we got from the pre-Vedic period or the post-Vedic period also. Like this way, in the pre-Vedic period in the sense, especially we are remembering chief of the Aryans. So they were used to call as Aryans. They were settled in a Ganga and Saraswati river plains or the Ganga and Saraswati river bank. So these kind of the Aryans, the chief of the Aryans, we used to call as a Rajan. We used to call as a Rajan. Like that, this Rajan or the chief of the Aryan is not a dictator or is not a. It is not come from the hereditary. And we found two important political factors or the political institution. Those are Sabha and Samiti. So if king want to take any decision in the sense, he must take the suggestions from the Sabha and Samiti. So what Sabha and Samiti declare, the king should follow that. That means it is not a dictatorship. It indicates it is not a dictatorship. And we found Vidata. So Vidata takes a major role in administration. So he is also one of the important part in a pre-Vedic period. Like this way, the king. So what is the work of the king? The fighting in the battle and protecting the life and wealth. The fighting in the battle. So if any other king try to occupy his kingdom in the sense, he always protect his people and their wealth. Like this way, he always participating in the battle and he want to protect their life. He want to protect the people life and also a wealth. So these are the important things, especially we got from the political life of the prehistoric period. Like this way, what is the religious life? the religious life in a prehistoric period, in the sense, especially we are remembering they were worshipped Indra, Surya, Soma, Varuna, Mitra, Yama, Ashwini. So these are the important gods we got from the pre-Vedic period. They are worshipped Indra, Surya, Soma, Varuna, Mitra, Yama and Ashwini. So these are the important gods with that they were made some of the rituals. They were follow some of the rituals. Those are yajnas and yagas. Yajnas and yagas. So in this way, they were give one of the important message from the pre-Vedic period. So there is only a one truth. The people perceive it differently. Let the noble thoughts come from all the corners of the world. So what is the message? There was only a one truth. The people perceive it differently. Let the noble thoughts come from all the corners of the world. So these are the important message we got from the pre-Vedic period. Today we learnt many things from this lesson. Especially in the pre-Vedic period, in the sense we are remembering Rigveda. So this Rigveda, we are remembering economic life, political life, religious life, social life, and also position of the woman.